swear if I do not find something to do to this hair, I'm going to cut it off.
So I noticed that my hair is not what it used to be. It doesn't retain moisture like it used to. It's frizzier. My styles aren't coming out right. And I thought, what am I doing differently?
Duh, sis. You have not hot oil treated your hair in ages. Get it together and do better.
I hear you, sis. I hear you. I hear you. So we're gonna do a hot oil treatment today because it's much needed, and maybe that will help my hair to become a little bit more manageable and I won't feel the need to cut it off, okay? Because I really want to cut this hair off. It's getting on my nerves. Well, for this hot oil treatment, we are going to use some coconut oil. We are going to use some extra virgin olive oil. We're going to use some sweet, pure almond oil. And of course, we're going to need some Jamaican Black castor oil. And as a base, we're gonna use Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. So I'm gonna go ahead, get my hair all washed up and clean, and I'm gonna come right back to you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a bowl, I'm gonna mix all the oils together. I'm gonna warm this bowl up in the microwave, so make sure you have a glass bowl, a porcelain bowl, something that you can put in the microwave and it won't melt. To heat the oils up. So I've actually not been recording this whole entire time. Yay! Okay, so what I did was I took the oil from my bowl, I warmed it up for about a minute in two 30-second intervals, so it was pretty nice and warm. And then I applied it to this applicator bottle using a funnel to put it in here. This is actually a bottle I got from Dollar Tree. This is a condiment bottle. And I was like, yeah, I'm definitely gonna use this as an applicator. So you can pick one of these up from Dollar Tree. I was just applying the oil more so towards the ends of my hair and just making sure I'm working it in really good. I sectioned my hair into 4 sections here. And just like I said, make sure I applied it to the ends and just work it into the hair really good.
I cannot believe I was not recording this whole time. So crazy. Yeah, just getting it worked in here.
And I'm not gonna let any of this oil go to waste. So if you have any left over, just continue to apply. Also, make sure that you make enough oil for your hair. My hair is pretty thick, so I know I'm gonna need a good amount of oil. So make sure you make enough oil. Do not go skimp on the oils.
So now that my hair is nice and coated, we're gonna get to the fun part.
So I'm going to wrap my hair up in a shower cap, shopping bag, whatever you have. Okay, and I'm going to put little holes in this bag, just a couple of holes, and you will see why in a minute. And now I'm gonna take my foldable hooded dryer, okay? I've had this for years. Please don't be mad at me. I don't know where I got this from. I can't remember if I ordered it, if I just got it from my local beauty supply store. I don't remember. But I've had this for years and it's been coming in handy. What you do is you attach it to your blow dryer, okay? And it's gonna inflate on my hair, making it a hooded dryer. And I'm gonna sit under this for about 20 minutes or so. Okay, so you can see why we put holes in our cap, so that way the heat could get down to the hair. And let's see how soft it feels. Ooh, haha. It feels so soft. Oh my goodness, I needed this. I needed this. I cannot believe I haven't done one in so long. It feels so soft. So what I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and rinse this out, and that's it pretty much for a hot oil treatment. My hair is super duper soft. So if you feel like your hair is becoming unmanageable, it's becoming more frizzy, it's really dry, definitely do this hot oil treatment. Get whatever oils work best for your hair, warm it up a bit, and sit under a dryer to really get the full maximum of this hot oil treatment. Y'all, I really wish y'all could feel my hair. Like, it feels so soft and it looks so moisturized. Ooh, this feels great. Feels great. I would say hot oil your hair maybe at least once a month. It's been forever since I've done one, but now I'm gonna get back into the habit of doing it at least once a month. How often do you hot oil treat your hair? What oils do you use to hot oil treat your hair? Definitely comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for keeping it locked and rocking with me. Stay tuned for more.